Hey there. It's good to see you again. It's been a while. I am here in my little studio in downtown Boise working diligently on the story of Noah. I'm excited about it still. Loving the process. Very intense and fun for me. And you can see right here, this is what I'm working on right now. Now you might recognize this picture. I actually pulled it up again over here. This is the one that was shown on Kickstarter. And I spent a lot of time on it, as you can tell. But I have totally revamped what Noah looks like. And so here's where, actually today is the first day I've ever done any coloring on him. And you can see just how he looks and everything, and all the vibrancy and color is going to come in time here. But I wanted to show you, somebody had asked me on Facebook to show the process of how I do this. And so what I do is I draw this all in the program of Adobe Photoshop. And when I start off, I do like a line art drawing. I do little thumbnail sketches actually. I'll do hundreds of these little things, and then I build it up. And this is actually pretty huge because you can see right here, there's 20, that's 1 inch. Right there, just to give you an idea. So this is, it's pretty big. But then what I do is I go over this and I draw out my ink drawing, okay? And I get it all the way around. Whoa, you just fell, sorry. Okay, we're good, we're good. Okay, you're still there. And then ultimately, I'll take away the ink in the background, which cleans it up completely. And you can see just how it comes out. But now what I'm doing is I'm actually coming in here and I'm coloring it. And so you can see how it's colored. I'll take away the ink, and you can see how that looks without the ink layer. And then that will be the finished look minus that. So what I do, just to show you, is this has a pretty intense pressure sensitivity. So when I draw, I have no idea what I'm going to draw here. Let me just draw something that, what do you guys want to see? A little face? Let's do just a quick little face. So what I'll do is I'll draw a little something. This is not going to be Noah. This is just going to be a face of someone with character. And you can see the shading, just the real subtle kind of shading going on right there, with an eyebrow. All right. And then, let's see, we need a nose. What kind of nose should we put on this thing? You know what? Let's do a little small nose with a good little nostril right there. Okay, this person does have character, no doubt about it. And let's just give them two big buck eyes. Look at that. Oh, nice. And then what I do is when I want to color it, I come in here and I say, all right, what color do I want? I'll select this. And you see this? I have 16 million colors to choose from, all derived from the mixture of 4. And those colors is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. You mix those 4 colors together, you can come up with 16 million different colors. And I can pick anywhere on this radius, like that. Or if I want a skin color tone, like that. And then I come in here, I can start coloring them. So depending on how hard I press down, how I have it tilted, the ink comes out. But this is how I'm working and how I'm creating this thing, just so you have an idea of what is done. So I can do all this right here, right? But where it pops is always in the shadow. So I come over here and I pull a little darker shadow, and it's going to make this nose pop out, isn't it? Okay. So that's how I go about creating. Now, as you can look into this face, you'll see where I shaded it down. I brought out some more highlights. Like if I want something to come forward, I just come up here, and this is where I can pull something forward with the lightness. And that's a little how I create. Just to give you a quick little idea. So this whole book is coming together very nicely. It's going to be 64 pages, as I said. And so it's quite a task before me. But come on by sometime at the studio if you'd like and see how it's progressing, say hi. But for now, just want you to know that I'm thinking about you and so glad you're part of this journey with me. You have a great one. Thanks. Bye-bye.